I'm most excited about like the raw opportunity to create value. What I really appreciate is that the company has invested in innovation because they understand that's important to kind of build the next 117 years of Gerdau.
I've had the opportunity of working with Gerdau for a little over 6 years, so I have an understanding of how the company works and a lot of the pain points that we've had. So I'm able to bring that understanding to the role along with my creativity.
I like automating things. I like helping decision makers make better decisions. I like to innovate. I like to try cutting edge technology.
I never saw myself in IT or smart enough to be in IT, to be honest. But I have this passion for improving stuff and improving people's lives. I truly care about the person.
The team seems very knowledgeable and, they're varying experiences, so I would like to grow as a person, as a developer in general. And this seems to be a great way to do it.
With Gerdau, this position at Gerdau is very exciting. First of all, we have an opportunity to really sort of do some digital innovation and bring some very interesting ideas and new development to the organization, but also in return the organization also does a lot of very cool stuff like machine learning and robotic programming and data integration from IoT type stuff that is going to be very exciting for us to learn.
I bring a creative background to it, so it's actually asking the question why we're doing what we're doing, and having that sort of critical disposition is helpful.
Seems like I've got a good amount of autonomy and ability to kind of make some decisions in this role, so that's something about the role that excites me.
The fact that it was a steel company. I've always been kind of interested in how metal's made and different kinds of metals been mixed around with, and then I heard that there's some, applications of robotics inside the mills, and I thought that was very interesting to automate, manufacturing processes and stuff.
So I'm one of the change agents who's helping to transform the company, as I said, moving it into, going ahead for the next century or more. And I help the team kind of understand better ways to work together. I help spread that throughout the organization, so it's not just empowering the team, but it's really trying to empower the entire company.
Okay, so describe yourself in 3 words.
Tall, identical, funny.
And why identical?
I have an identical twin brother.
Creative, caring, and adventurous.
Hard worker, listener, and open-minded.
Normally when people tell me to say random 3 words in a line like that, I say really weird stuff like taco, potato, or cheese, which doesn't really describe me, so that's kind of how that goes.
If you could rid the world of one thing, what would it be?
If I could rid the world of one thing, I guess cockroaches. I don't really, maybe they serve some kind of purpose. Maybe if they do, I don't really know what that is. So.
Gravity. It's holding us all down, don't you think?
Hate. Yeah, I hate.
If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Oh, flying, of course. Who wouldn't want flying?
To travel in time. The reason I say that is because I've had moments that I wasn't present.
It's a real power, but it's so rare, it's practically a superpower. I would want more common sense.
My name is Ben-Yur, and you can call me Ben. I'm here in North America working with the digital and innovation team, and our main focus, our main goal is to help the business to deliver their goals using digital technologies or trying to bring innovative solutions.